Need to download and install Google Chrome on your Windows 10 PC or laptop? Here's how to do it safely. Set it as your default browser and pin it to your taskbar in just a few simple steps. First, open your default web browser, like Microsoft Edge, and search for Google Chrome Download to find the official website from google.com. Once you are on the page, click the prominent Download Chrome button. The small installer file will begin downloading to your computer immediately. When the download is finished, click on the Chrome Setup file in your browser's download list or navigate to your Downloads folder and double-click the file to open it. If a Windows User Account Control prompt pops up, simply click Yes to proceed. The installer will now automatically download and install the full browser in the background. Once Google Chrome launches, you can set it as your default directly through your Windows settings. First, click on your Windows Start menu icon and click on Settings. Next, search for default apps from the search bar. Now scroll down on the right side until you find the web browser section. Click on your current default browser and then select Google Chrome from the list of installed browsers that pops up. Finally, to make Chrome easily accessible, look down at your taskbar where the Chrome icon is currently open, right-click on it, and select Pin to Taskbar. Now, even when you close the browser, it will always be just one click away. If this complete setup guide helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more fast tech tutorials.